Sentry LLM Monitoring helps organizations understand the cost, performance, and issues of apps using LLMs. It helps developers understand how their LLMs are performing in production, and can also automatically calculate and alert on LLM token cost. Now, I'll show you how to install and use Sentry LLM Monitoring for a demo chatbot application. To use Sentry LLM Monitoring with my app, all I need to do is install the latest version of the Sentry Python SDK and configure Sentry to send prompts with the allow default PII equals true option to the sentry.init call. Now, Sentry will automatically collect information about prompts, tokens, and models from the LLM providers I use if I decorate the functions with the @AI_track decorator. This app is a chatbot application that answers questions about Sentry using RAG. When I ask the application a question, like what is a span, it searches through my vector database and passes along relevant context to the LLM. The LLM takes that context and generates a streaming output, which is sent to the front end. Like any app, I need to understand how my RAG application is working in production. I need to know how much it costs, debug user issues, and make sure it's not taking too long to respond. For this application, I have multiple AI pipelines calling multiple models. I can hover over the graphs for details at a specific point in time. Below the graphs, I see token usage and cost, pipeline duration, and pipeline runs per minute, broken down by the pipeline type. If I select an AI pipeline, I get a detailed view and list of example spans. When I select a span, I can see the related spans within the trace. The trace also shows useful information like the model version, the pipeline used, and the prompts and responses to LLMs. These views are especially useful to understand why your LLM resulted in the output that you saw. You can easily trace the results of vector lookups and LLM calls throughout your pipeline. With Sentry alerts, I can trigger notifications when token usage or cost hit a configured threshold. Go to the Sentry alerts page, click Create Alert, select either LLM token usage or cost, select a project, and define the threshold for when Sentry will send a notification on token cost. Sentry LLM Monitoring helps developers track metrics like token cost and pipeline duration, and gives them the debugging context needed to ensure model outputs are easily understandable.